YouTube, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're making Rice Krispie treats. Yeah, but not just any old Rice Krispie treats. We're making Christmas Crunch! Limited edition. And don't ask me how I got these limited edition Rice Krispie treats, Crunch Krispie treats. Go to their pantry and, okay. Now we're getting too far. None your business. Let's go ahead and tell you what ingredients and all the things that you need for these Rice Krispie treats. Crunch Krispie treats. I just told you that. Stop correcting me. You need a non-stick. Mind your bit. Oh, he had a mind of its own and he hopped off this. Like I said before he jumped off the middle of the counter, I need the island. You need a non-stick big old pot, baby. I'm gonna put that right there on the stove. Some great value, it could be any kind. Parchment, non-stick parchment paper. Your marshmallows. Any type of cereal that you plan on making your Krispie treats with. Mine is limited edition. Rubbing it in your face, literally. Yep, how that feel? How that feel? Limited. Can you focus now? Okay, it don't want to focus. And you need just a smidge of butter. Speaking of, since we talking and stuff like that, I usually use the big ginormical size of the marshmallows, but because they only had these small minis at the store, I went ahead and scored some of these at the store. Turn your flame on. Okay, what do I need? Oh, you need a spoon or a wooden spoon to mix your batches of. Yes. Hiya! So I'm gonna turn on my heat to medium. That's at 3, something like that. Okay, just to heat up that burner right there. All right, you can see this pot and everything. Now remember, I went ahead and cut up my 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that thing in there. Yep, as it's heating up. Stop, wait, don't use that much butter. Do not, I repeat, look, don't. I made a mistake, I was a fool, I was foolish. Do not use that much butter. Use like half of that butter. Use like half of what I just said, okay? Or your Crunch Krispie treats will come out buttery. You don't want it. Stop. Don't do it. Be better. Oh, it's already smelting. And now I'm gonna quickly open up my bag of marshmallows. And I'm gonna use the whole entire bag. Alright? I'm no shame in my game. I'm gonna go ahead and oil the plot, the pan, and the papa, the poopa, the peepa, the ping, bang, bunky. It's really not called a bing, bang, bunky. It's just called a non-stick pot, kettle, tea, paka, like a dropper. And like it's hot. Okay? Okay, so as you see, my butter's getting melted. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this in there so that this can melt with it. And I like when everything gets heated up. I may have too much butter in here, but guess what? I'm trying to clog my arteries. I'm already eating unhealthy by doing this sweetness stuff. Okay, now they don't need to hear all that. Why are you doing this? Why are you making them second guess? Make your Rice Krispie treats. They're delicious. Do it. It's good for you. Okay, don't lie in a YouTube. Come on, man. It's fun to eat Rice Krispies, sis. Ah, get out! So while my marshmallows are having technical difficulties. Get out of the bag, please. Get out, you're the last one. Stop it. I know you want to stay, but you're not allowed. Get out. While this is melting, I'm just mixing and mixing and mixing. I'm just schmixing. Schmixing. I'm just schmixing. I'm schmixing tonight. I'm about to open up this box. So as it starts to turn into a paste, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for it to turn into a paste. Can y'all see that? Or do I need to lift it up more? Okay, yeah. Here we go. It's starting to turn into a paste. It's starting to melt with the buttery goodness flavor. The buttery goodness flavor, baby. Open up the box. Open up the limited edition box. I'm gonna save the box because it's it brings special value to my heart. Ooh. I want to make all of it, but I'm probably not going to. Okay. I'm gonna keep mixing so everything gets melted. And again, this, depending on how much marshmallows you have, you gotta eyeball this part, all right? So I'm gonna watch how much I put in here. If I can get this open, I'm gonna watch how much cereal that I put up in here. Keep mixing, keep mixing. Pop, 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 pop. Dropping, popping, locking, popping, locking, dropping. Drop on in the pot. In the pot, it's not that hot. Enjoy, you're about to be Rice Krispie treats for me, for me, for me. Oh, make sure you sing. It is, oh, I forgot to mention, it is so important to sing a song while making Rice Krispie treats, because if not, they won't turn out good. They will not. They will just, whoa, that's crumbs. I didn't ask for the crumbs. Okay, here we go. And I'm just gonna see what we have here. I'm gonna keep mixing. As you see, I probably could, yep, I can add a little bit more, because it's all right, but it's not, yeah, it could use some more. I want to use the whole bag, but last time I made a mistake and made too much. Oh, you ain't going nowhere. You going in my mouth. Haha. So keep mixing. And this is okay. It's like fully coated, and I'm still gonna add some more, to be honest, because oh, I'm gonna take it off the pot. I'm gonna take it off the burner. I forgot. Y'all see that? It's looking kind of good. I like it, but I still want to add a little bit more. Just to use up some more of this marshmallows. And this is the part that gets a little tough. But you just gotta be strong. Push through it. Even if you have a broken wrist and things like that. Wow, starting to look kind of good, y'all. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more too. Why did I say Rice Krispie treats? And y'all know this is crunch. Crunch. I don't know why I had a little frog in my throat when I said that. Crunch a crunch. Chrismas crunch. Chrismas crunch. Chrismas crunch. All right, I'm gonna go left hand now. Yes. Now that's starting to look good, y'all. Y'all see this? I really want to add a little bit more, but I probably need to learn my lesson and chill out. But I'm gonna add more. I can feel it. I can feel it because I'm silly sometimes. I think I'm gonna have some bowls of cereal. No! Yum, 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 yum. It didn't drop on the floor. It didn't drop at all on the floor. God made those don't hurt. Sticking around for me, make it work. Yum, 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 yum. Now, I'm gonna take this over here, lay out my parchment paper. I really don't know how big this is gonna be. So I'm just gonna lay out my parchment paper like this big, just like that. Stop it! Y'all, I wanna add more. I can add more. Okay. Unroll the map. Stop it. Stop it. Stay. Stay. Get out. Okay, he's out. I added more, okay? Don't judge me, because I added more. Y'all, I probably could have still added some more. But, get off now. Meow. This is still gonna be so good. I can feel it. I can feel it and I can tell it. Thin yourself out, huh? So I'm not gonna lie, I got a little excited and I prematurely tried it, and I already know that I put too much butter in it, and it's your fault. I said to eyeball it, but next time do not put that much butter in there, okay? So I'm gonna put this in the fridge or the freezer because I'm a little bit impatient and I really want some like right now. I'm gonna put it in the freezer and I'll see y'all in 15 minutes, 20. Alright, y'all, it's time to take these bad boys out and devour them. Okay. So I see I could have added way more because I got too much marshmallows. I'm gonna bring this up close and personal to y'all. See how they look? I got too much marshmallows on it. I could have added more. I could have added more cereal. But still, we're gonna cut this thing up. Can you get off now? Let's see what we tasting. Too much butter and too much marshmallows. I should have added more cereal like I was telling myself I should have and I was gonna do, but well, we made Rice Krispie treats. Man, I'm not happy with these, but guess what? Now y'all know the process in making Rice Krispie treat. I might make another video, but guess what? Be happy with what you got. I showed y'all how to make them. Just because I didn't do them good doesn't mean that you don't have to go home and you do them good. Don't use that much butter. Please don't use that much butter. And add more. If it's white on the and stuff like that, like this, add more cereal. I told y'all I did it wrong so that you can do it right. Okay, right? You got me. But I'm still gonna eat these. I'm kind of good. I'm happy. Well, that's how to make Crunchy Crunch, Creamy Crunch, Rice Krispie treat. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. See you later. Do a good job. Let me know how y'all Rice Krispie treats come out. I'm gonna do real Rice Krispie treats next time. I know y'all not watching me do my Rice Krispie treat dance. Bye.